Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video I will gonna show you that how to upload a music to Spotify. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply see the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it and here you can see the option playlist blend. You cannot see the option upload music. Go back and here you can now tap on your library. And here you can see the plus icon again at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here you can see the same options. The Spotify doesn't provide the feature you to upload a music on Spotify. You can download the other app, that is Spotify for Artists. After downloading the app, you can upload a music on Spotify for Artists app, and it is the way you can upload music on Spotify. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.